Namaste, I am Manjula and welcome to Manjula's Kitchen. Roasted cauliflower with tangy tomato sauce. Simply a delightful dish. You can serve this as a side dish or as an appetizer. Any way you serve, it tastes great. This recipe will serve 4. So first I am going to prepare the cauliflower. So I am going to make the spice mix for cauliflower. So I have here 1 cup of yogurt, thick yogurt, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons finely chopped cilantro, hara dhania, 1 teaspoon finely chopped green chili, hari mirch, 1 teaspoon finely shredded ginger, adrak, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, jeera, half a teaspoon of salt, and mix it well. And here I have about 18 cauliflower florets. I am using 1 medium size cauliflower and I cut them in the florets. Don't make them very small pieces. I wash them and I pat dry. So now we are going to add this into the spices. And mix it well. Make sure every floret is coated with the spices. So as you see, every cauliflower has been coated nicely with the spices. So I am ready to shallow fry them. I am ready to shallow fry the cauliflower. Heat is on medium and I am using 2 tablespoons of oil, making sure the pan is coated well. Put 1 cauliflower at a time. Don't overlap them. So it will be splattering a little bit, so be careful. Wait for about 1 minute and then turn them over. So cauliflower are nicely roasted and they are looking beautiful. It has taken me about 4 minutes. So I will take them out over the paper towel so it will absorb the extra oil. So this is looking good, and do the next batch the same way. I have prepared all the cauliflower in 2 batches. So now I am prepared to use the gravy. Heat is on medium. So I am using 2 tablespoons of oil. Oil should be moderately hot. So when we put the cumin seed, they should crack right away. Okay, we are going to put I am using 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, jeera, as it splatters, put the tomato paste. Tomato sauce. I used 3 tomatoes to make 1 cup of tomato puree. Two teaspoons of finely shredded ginger. Mix it well and let it cook for a couple of minutes. So now I am adding 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, dhania, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, lal mirch, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, haldi, and mix it well. I am also using 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, which I have mixed it with the water, about 2 tablespoons of water, added this. This gives the thickness to the gravy. So I need to make the gravy in pourable consistency. So it's looking a little thick, so I will add some more water. So I have used about 1/4 cup of water. Gravy is ready. It's looking good. Very nice consistency. So going to add the last ingredients. 1/4 cup of chopped tomatoes, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of finely chopped cilantro. Just mix it and turn off the heat. Okay, so I am ready to serve the cauliflower with tangy tomato sauce. Okay, so just put these cauliflower in the gravy and mix it. So they are coated with tomato sauce nicely, and I am ready to do the plating. So I am ready to plate the cauliflower, and then just do one at a time. Do slowly, making sure that you don't break them. Okay, I am going to garnish it with some green chili. I have cut them in thin slices and have taken out the seeds. And some cilantro. Roasted cauliflower with tangy tomato sauce. Simply looking delicious. Enjoy. If you like the recipe, share it with your friends and family. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can receive my upcoming new recipes. Till we meet again, check out my website manjulaskitchen.com. Thank you and enjoy.